Hey everyone! Welcome back to Willie's Travel Ideas. Today we're diving into something that's super important for anyone who travels, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just planning your first trip abroad. We're talking about online security and why you should always, and I mean always, use a VPN when you travel. Look, I get it. When you're on vacation, the last thing you want to think about is tech stuff. You'd rather be trying new foods, exploring hidden streets, or soaking up some sun on a beach somewhere. But trust me, taking a few minutes to set up a VPN can save you a ton of headaches down the road. We're talking about protecting your personal information, your privacy, and your peace of mind. And in this video, I'm gonna break it all down for you in a way that's easy to understand. So buckle up, grab your favorite travel snack, and let's get into it. When you're traveling, you're constantly connecting to different Wi-Fi networks. At airports, hotels, cafes, you name it. It's almost second nature now. You walk into a place, look for the Wi-Fi sign, and connect without a second thought. But have you ever stopped to think about the risks involved? And while free Wi-Fi is super convenient, it's also a breeding ground for hackers. These cybercriminals are always on the lookout for unsecured networks to exploit. They can easily set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots that look legitimate, tricking you into connecting to them. Think about it. You're on a public network, sharing the same connection with a bunch of strangers. Each one of them could potentially be a hacker or someone with malicious intent. It's like being in a crowded room where everyone can hear your conversation. You don't know who set up that network, who's monitoring it, or what their intentions are. It could be a legitimate network, or it could be a trap set by a hacker to steal your information. It's like leaving your front door wide open and hoping for the best. You wouldn't do that with your home, so why do it with your personal data? And it's not just about stealing your credit card info. Hackers can gain access to a lot more than that. Hackers can use these unsecured networks to intercept your passwords, steal your personal data, and even track your online activity. They can see the websites you visit, the emails you send, and the files you download. That's right, they can see everything you're doing online. Creepy, right? It's like having someone look over your shoulder every time you go online. That's where a VPN comes in. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a tool that can protect you from these threats. A VPN acts like a shield, encrypting your internet connection and masking your IP address. This means that even if a hacker manages to intercept your data, they won't be able to read it. It's like creating a secret tunnel between your device and the internet, making it nearly impossible for anyone to snoop on your online activity. Your data travels through this secure tunnel safe from prying eyes. So, whether you're checking your emails, browsing social media, or doing some online banking, a VPN adds an extra layer of security, protecting you from those digital eavesdroppers lurking on public Wi-Fi. It gives you peace of mind knowing that your personal information is safe. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. In today's digital age, taking a few extra steps to protect your online privacy is not just smart, it's essential. Think about all the personal information you access online. Your banking details, your social media accounts, your emails, your travel itineraries. It's like your digital passport, containing all the important stuff about your online life. Now imagine that passport falling into the wrong hands. Not a good feeling, right? That's essentially what's at stake when you're browsing on unsecured networks. A VPN acts like a security detail for your digital passport, encrypting your data and making it unreadable to anyone who tries to intercept it. It's like putting all your sensitive information in a locked briefcase that only you have the key to open. So even if you're on a public Wi-Fi network and a hacker manages to intercept your connection, they won't be able to make sense of the data. It'll just be a jumbled mess of encrypted code. This is especially important when you're traveling, as you're more likely to be using public Wi-Fi and accessing sensitive information like booking confirmations, flight details, and online banking. Okay, story time. So I was in insert city name a few years back, working on this travel documentary. I was in a cafe, you know, the kind with exposed brick and indie music playing, uploading some footage using their Wi-Fi. I thought I was being all sneaky, using a strong password for my cloud storage and all. But a few days later, I noticed some weird activity on my bank account. Small charges, nothing too crazy, but enough to raise a red flag. Turns out, someone had been snooping on that cafe's Wi-Fi and managed to snag my login credentials. Luckily, I caught it early, and my bank sorted it out. But it was a wake-up call, you know? It made me realize how vulnerable I was, even when I thought I was being careful. That's when I went all in on using a VPN. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. No more paranoia about public Wi-Fi, no more worrying about my personal information. Just peace of mind, knowing that my online activity is secure, no matter where I am in the world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Willie, this VPN thing sounds great, but isn't it complicated to set up? Well, let me assure you it's not as daunting as it might seem at first glance. In fact, setting up a VPN can be a straightforward and even enjoyable process once you know what to look for and how to go about it. Honestly, it's way easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can have your VPN up and running in no time, providing you with the security and privacy you need. First things first, you need to choose a VPN provider. This is a crucial step because the provider you choose will determine the quality of your VPN experience. There are tons of options out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some might offer better speeds, while others might have more server locations or stronger security features. Some popular ones are, name a few popular VPN providers. These providers have built a reputation for reliability and performance, making them a good starting point for your search. When choosing a VPN, look for one that offers strong encryption. This ensures that your data is protected from prying eyes, whether you're browsing at home or on a public Wi-Fi network. A no-logs policy is also essential. This means the VPN provider doesn't keep records of your online activities, adding an extra layer of privacy. And don't forget to check the range of server locations. A wide range of servers allows you to access content from different regions, bypassing geo-restrictions. Server locations are important because they determine where your internet traffic appears to be coming from. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to access content that's restricted to certain regions. So, if you want to access content that's only available in a certain country, you can connect to a server in that location. More on that later. This feature is especially handy for streaming services, online shopping, and even accessing local news from different parts of the world. Once you've chosen a provider, it's usually as simple as downloading their app, creating an account, and following the on-screen instructions. Most apps are designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the setup process step by step, and connecting to a server. Just select a server from the list, hit connect, and you're all set. It's really that easy. Boom, you're good to go. With your VPN up and running, you can browse the internet with peace of mind, knowing your data is secure. Oh, and one more thing. This is really important, so pay attention. Don't fall for those free VPN offers. They might seem tempting, but they often come with hidden costs. Remember, if something is free, you're the product. Free VPNs often track your data and sell it to third parties, defeating the purpose of using a VPN in the first place. Stick with a reputable paid VPN provider. It's worth the investment for the peace of mind and security it offers. You'll be glad you did. Okay. So we've talked about the security benefits of using a VPN, keeping your data safe from prying eyes, especially when you're on public Wi-Fi networks. But there's so much more to it than just security. But here's the thing, it's not just about security. A VPN can also open up a world of possibilities that you might not have even considered. A VPN can also unlock a whole new world of online content and possibilities. Imagine being able to access your favorite shows, movies, and music from anywhere in the world, no matter where you are. Remember those server locations I mentioned earlier? They're like your virtual passport to the internet. Well, they're not just for show. Each server location represents a different country you can virtually travel to. By connecting to a server in a different country, you can bypass geo-restrictions and access content that might be blocked in your current location. This means you can enjoy the internet as if you were back home or in any other country you choose. For example, let's say you're traveling to a country where your favorite streaming service isn't available. It can be really frustrating to see that error message pop up. No problem, just connect to a server in your home country, and voila! You're back in business, streaming your favorite shows and movies without a hitch. You can binge watch your favorite shows to your heart's content. No more missing out on the latest episodes just because you're in a different part of the world. This also works for accessing news websites, social media platforms, and other online services that might be censored or restricted in certain parts of the world. But wait, there's more! A VPN can also help you stay connected with friends and family on social media, no matter where you are. A VPN can also help you snag better deals on flights and hotels. It's like having a secret weapon in your travel arsenal. That's because travel websites often use your location to offer different prices. By changing your virtual location, you can sometimes find better deals that aren't available to everyone. By connecting to a server in a different location, you can sometimes trick the system into giving you a lower price. It's a great way to save money on your next trip. So, there you have it. A VPN isn't just a security tool, it's your passport to a freer, more open internet with a side of travel savings. Whether you're looking to access blocked content, stay connected with loved ones, or find the best travel deals, a VPN has got you covered. So next time you're planning a trip or just want to explore the internet without boundaries, remember to pack your VPN. It's your ticket to an uncensored internet and so much more. Thanks for tuning in to Willie's Travel Ideas. I hope this video convinced you that using a VPN while traveling is non-negotiable. Seriously, it's like packing your adapter, it's just something you do. Remember, protecting your online security is crucial, especially when you're on the go. A VPN is your best bet for keeping your personal information safe and secure, no matter where your adventures take you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more travel tips visit www.williguru.com. Safe travels.